वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. You are watching Oman TV and myself Sandeep Singh, and today I would like to talk about Bibi Harshan Kaur. In the Battle of Chamkaur, Guru Gobind Singh Ji's two sons, elder son Baba Jeet Singh Ji and Baba Jujhar Singh Ji obtained Shahidi. The Panch Pyare ordered Guru Gobind Singh Ji to leave Chamkaur as the Panth still needed them. Guruji accepted this order and left Chamkaur with three other Singhs. When Guruji reached a village called Krund, Guruji met Baba Bibi Harshan Kaur, who was Amritdhari. She asked Guruji to tell her everything that had happened. When Guruji told her what had happened in Chamkaur and how his Singhs obtained Shahidi, Bibiji decided that she would go to Chamkaur to cremate the bodies of the Sahibzade and other Singhs. Bibi Harshan Kaur disguised herself as a Muslim woman and hid her kirpan under the clothes. She then started working to Chamkaur. When Bibiji reached Chamkaur, it was dark. She saw that the Mughal soldiers were sleeping as they were tired from burning the bodies of the dead Mughals. Bibiji started collecting the bodies of the Singhs. She could easily differentiate between the Mughal bodies and Shi's bodies as the Sikhs wore the bana and the star of the Guru Gobind Singh Ji. While collecting the body, he started feeling sad. The more bodies she collected, the sadder she felt. Bibi Harshan Kaur Ji was not sad because the Singhs were Shaheed. She was happy for the Singhs as they had given their life for Guru Gobind Singh Ji. The reason she was sad was because she knew that her husband, Bhai Pritam Singh Ji, was also at Chamkaur. When the Battle of Chamkaur took place, she was expecting to find the body of her husband. She searched and started to think that her husband ran away from the battle like a coward. She started crying. However, eventually she found another body. She looked at the face and suddenly the tears of sadness turned into tears of joy as she saw that it was her husband. She knew at the point that her husband was in the Sachkhand. After collecting all the bodies, Bibi Harshan Kaur did ardas. She then picked up wood pieces and cremated the Shaheeds. The Mughal soldier woke up and saw the fire and ran towards it. They saw Bibi Ji and asked her who she was and what she wanted. She replied, I am the daughter of Guru Gobind Singh Ji and I have come to cremate my brothers. The Mughal soldier needed the bodies of the Singhs to show the emperor and collecting their rewards. Bibi Ji did not allow this to happen. Two Mughals decided to attack Bibi Ji, but Guruji fought back. After killing many Mughals, Bibi Ji was injured. Two Mughal soldiers then picked up her injured body and put in the fire. But Bibiji obtained Shahidi and joined her brother in Sachkhand. Moral of stories: the Panch Pyare are the form of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. We should always do what the Panch Pyare tells us to do. Never be afraid to do the right things, no matter what the consequences. Guruji has given us the bana, uniform. She was stand out from the crowd. Gursikh is detached from Maya. They do not cry in pain. I loved one dies. Everyone should get the chance to have a funeral. In the Guru Sahib's army, both man and woman are equal. They should both learn how to defend themselves and other people. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Shri Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.